Right.
Are we going in there?
I was just going to go through the side door if that's okay. Whoa. Well, gotta get that on the car now.
Good luck.
Superb. Much appreciated. Thank you very much, fellas.
Just need a squiggle, please.
Yeah. Right, TentBox time. It's out of the shed. We've now got to get it unpacked, set up, and on the car. Here goes. Put it down. We have holes. Ah. Ooh, ladder. Hold down straps.
We'll just open it.
Bungee. No. Paracord. I think these must be the connectors to get it to the roof. Welcome kit. No, we're not putting them in now.
Yeah.
No.
Let me in.
Right, zip it back up.
No, let's open it.
You're not getting it. No, we're not opening it.
Why?
Steps.
Oh, my fingers. Whoever says you can fit all your bedding and stuff in here is
Yeah.
is checking it out first, Neil.
Oh, sorry.
World's strongest man.
Hang on, because I can get myself free to help you. Actually, there's no need to.
Okay. Yeah, so 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Right. Jesus Christ, I've got.
Okay. Hang on.
Let the roofer take it, John.
I just want to get that bar onto the side. No, I can probably.
People. How's your back, John? Tell me that.
Right, well that didn't take long.
Liar. Maybe. I've got it. Okay.
Half a minute.
Right, we're trying to hit 100.
Thanks, Sadie.